Hey everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis. It is the final day, I guess you could say, and we're going to wrap up this starter that we started about 9 days ago. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to add some more of the dry ingredients, well, minus the milk. Milk's not really dry. We did this step on day 5, so we're going to do it today, and this is going to end our starter, and from this point, you can go ahead and get your actual bread made, and also put some little starters together for your friends. So by the time we're done with this process, we should have 4 cups of this. You're going to measure them out, 1 cup each, into separate containers, and you're going to keep a cup for yourself so that you can actually make some bread, and then you're going to give the other ones to your friends. Now you can do all kinds of mix-ins and stuff with this. You can make into banana bread, you can put fruit in it, totally up to you, and I'll actually share some alternative recipes down in the comments once we're done. So we've got our starter that we've had going for a while, and I actually kind of put it into this bowl because it was kind of going flat and I didn't really like that. So it's been nice and mixed. I've gotten some of the air out. We're gonna add a cup. So this is our 1-1-1 we did a few days back. I actually need to get my other measuring cup. Be right back. So you can start with, probably I'd do the dry ingredients first. You can go ahead and add a cup of your sugar here, which I should have about a cup left in this container. All right, beautiful. So we are counting down to Thanksgiving. That's going to be next Thursday, so almost a week away. Put that cup in there just like we did last time. I'm also going to get a cup of our unbleached flour. Not sifted, but I kind of explained that to you last video. You can sift if you want, but it's not completely necessary. It's a little bit over a cup. Let's get rid of some of that. And that evened it off to about a cup. A cup of that flour there. Flour off of my hand. And you're going to do a cup of your milk. And all you're going to do, just like we did on day 5, you're just going to stir all this together. And since it's in a plastic bag, it's just going to be mashing it. So make sure you get a good seal, squeeze a little bit of that air out of there. You can smell all the yeastiness going on in this bag. Just like before, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna mash it together. You can feel the sugar and the ingredients in there. And once I'm done with this, we'll actually pick back up in another video where I actually put the bread together, because I want to actually let this sit. So we'll follow up with another video where I separate this out into starter bags to hand out to some friends. And actually get some bread made. Right now I'm kind of going back and forth. I don't know if I want to do like a banana version of this, or a banana nut, I guess, or try something different. I've done the banana nut before. That's really all we're doing. We're just kind of gonna make sure we mix it really good. And the bag's a little bit easier to deal with. You can do it in like a bowl, but when my starter was given to me, it was actually done in a bag, and the person that gave it to me told me that they started theirs in bags too. It just makes it a little bit easier. So I'm kind of agitate that, and I think that's actually mixed as good as it's gonna get. And you can kind of tell from the feel, if you're not really feeling clumps of flour and stuff like that, you should be good to go. So this is going to actually sit until I get off of work this afternoon, and then we will continue on with the process. We'll actually start to make the bread. But this is the last day or step of the starter, I guess. Hang on, I'll be right back in just a second. And this is our day 10 step. So day 10 is the last day of the starter. And then you go right into actually just making the bread. So that's it. We will reconvene this afternoon and we will actually get the bread made. Thanks for tuning in. And before you leave this channel, do not forget to subscribe below feel free to comment and share this with your friends. Universe Jarvis out.